Welcome everybody, Mr. Allen here. I'm going to quickly go through solving a linear system of equations here by graphing. So we're starting with these two equations, and of course what I want is to figure out the best way to graph this. So I'm going to start by rewriting the first equation here as y equals mx plus b, just kind of my preference. We do also have the option of finding 2 points, either the x and y intercept or just 2 random points to graph this, but I kind of like going with the y equals mx plus b. So there's the first equation, second equation, and now when I look at the first equation, my slope is the 2, my y-intercept is the -3. So in order to graph this, I'm going to start by plotting the y-intercept down here at -3. I'm then going to use the slope to count a rise of 2, so I'm going up 2 and 1 to the right to establish where the second point is, and then my line kind of goes right through the entire graph, hitting those 2 points. Similarly now with the blue equation here, my y-intercept is at 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, good. And my slope is going to be down 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to the right. So again, this slope is -4/1, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 to the right. And then once I have my 2 points, I can join them with a straight line. So it appears as though this point right here is my point of intersection, and that is at 1, 2 across and 1 up. So 2, 1 appears to be the point of intersection, but to be certain, I will have to verify that. And I will verify in the original 2 equations, just in case I made a mistake in rearranging them. So these are the original 2 equations, and I'll test 2, 1 in 2x minus 3 equals y. The left side of that is 2x minus 3, which is 2 times the 2 from here, minus the 3, which is 1, and the right side, of course, is just the y value, which is a 1. So far that looks pretty good. Testing in the second equation, in the 4x plus y equals 9, the left side is the 4x plus y, so 4 times 2 plus the y value of 1 is a 9, and of course the right side is 9. And so it's safe to say that since the left side is the right side for both equations, 2, 1 is the point of intersection.